The Vivo's sub-brand iQOO has launched its new affordable smartphone under Z series in India called iQOO Z10 Lite, with 5G support. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO Z10 Lite 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the iQOO Z10 Lite 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for shock resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.3 by 76.95 by 8.19mm, and it weighs around 202 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO Z10 Lite 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB model option is priced at 10,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 12,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 25th, in titanium blue and cyber green color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO Z10 Lite 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.